Hi, my name is Zach Peele. I'm in Section 2 of the Fundamentals of Physics class for the Recording Arts degree. I've named this experiment Altering the Waveform. In this experiment, I will be manually changing the shape of a waveform while increasing or decreasing the amplitude of different low frequencies between 30 Hz, 64 Hz, and 125 Hz, and also doing the same thing for three high frequencies of 3000 Hz, 5000 Hz, and 8000 Hz, Hertz being the number of cycles per second of the waveform. For this experiment, I'll be using my bass and my bass amp to show you the difference and how changing the amplitude of the low and high frequencies can affect the way we perceive the actual sound. Since sound waves are oscillations, or repeating variations in atmospheric pressure, their amplitudes are proportional to the change in pressure during one oscillation. The crest is the highest amplitude value, and the trough is the lowest value. As you can see here, we have the graphic equalizer, which boosts certain low and high frequencies. You can't really see it, but this is 30,000 Hertz. This is 30 Hertz, 64 Hertz, 125 Hertz, all the way up to 3,000 Hertz, 5,000 Hertz, and 8,000 Hertz. As you can see here, I've boosted the low frequencies while cutting the high frequencies, and this gives you a more low, deep end sound. This kind of adjustment on the waveform, as you can see, is good for music with more low end sounds such as reggae. As you can see here, I've now cut the low end and boosted the high end, so you're going to get a more higher, crisp sound. That's the same note I played earlier. As you can tell, it's letting higher frequencies through while taking down the lows. This would be better for more of a funkier style of music. In conclusion, we've seen here that by changing the amplitude of either the low end or high end frequencies of a signal, we can actually affect the way that we perceive the sound by letting the low waveforms through or the high waveforms through. So essentially, it's affecting the way we're perceiving it. My name is Zach Peele. I hope you all take care. I enjoyed doing this project.